Making some Brussels sprouts with ham and Greek cheese. Looks pretty good. Just what I had. Perfect. Looks like the maybe the Black Pearl. Another one of those diner rig sailing yachts. Wow, these mountains are epic. We're gonna head out to this little church on an island. We can park our boat there for a second, I think. And then we'll head down this fjord. Wow, the big mountains. And I could maybe paraglide off of them, but I gotta find a way to get to the top. Maybe I can take a cab. So it's 30 feet deep. We can go here. Look how cool that is. Nice. This is Hurst, I think. And it doesn't sound like there's any place to tie up, but let's sail up here and take a look. Maybe we can. Otherwise, this is the view we get. There's a dock there, but it looks kind of like a ferry stop. Docking a boat is charged. Paragliding launch might be up there. But there's a cruise ship in there. Oh, there's a sailboat anchored. We'll go anchor in that anchorage there. Alright, anchor is down. Unfortunately, the water was like 30 feet, 35 feet maybe. So, and we're really close, kind of close to shore. So I have about as much line out as the distance to shore, and it's not even a great scope, but it's pretty calm tonight. And tomorrow hopefully the wind will blow us away from shore and we'll be okay. We have a big massive cruise ship here too. The fjord looks pretty cool. Look, there's like little lights in the mountains. Looks like there's a sailboat cruise ship coming in. Never seen anything like that. It's kind of cool. It is time once again for Pickle's oil change. Alright, I changed the motor oil. While I'm in here, let's check the fuel filter. Probably should change that too. I guess that's been 100 hours. I think that's a good interval. Looks okay, but I'll change it anyway. All right, it's already 2 p.m., but finally got a row ashore. Took all morning, messing around with changing the oil and procrastinating, and then it started raining, so wait another hour, but take the trash in and maybe hike up this giant wall. It's kind of camouflaged in this cliff, in this mountainside, but it looks pretty cool. I'm just gonna walk through this puddle. Oh man, I was just walking along this thing and the wave just came right over. Oh, I wish I got it on the film. How's the other side? Huh. Wait, no. Oh, that guy's towing a load of kayaks. Oh wow, pickle herring looks cool in that fog. Thanks for sailing along with me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you didn't miss the my previous video in Montenegro. That was when I visited these cool submarine pens. I thought it was a really good one. So I'll put a link in the description for that one. And the next video, that'll be my final video sailing in Montenegro. I got caught up in a little bit of a storm. It was kind of exciting. That video should actually be on Patreon now, which is also a great way to support the channel for any amount you like. But no worries if you can't do that. It will be live in a few more days also. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys next time.